going to show y'all how I'm doing our school. So I'm going to show you first what the teachers provided. This is for Ryder's. He's in third grade. It's kind of cluttered and a mess. I wouldn't be able to just give him this calendar and be like, okay, do school. He would be like, what do you actually want me to do? So what I did is I went in here. I put all of their, I don't know if y'all are like me, but I get overwhelmed so much with how many passwords, logins, everything for my two kids that I need to keep up with. So I went ahead and put it all in here, a link to the lesson plan, their username, password for each of them. And then Ryder knows all of his logins, but Remy doesn't. So I put all of hers in here as well in the links. And then here I put their schedules for every day of the week. So Monday, for instance, we already did it. So it's going to be all checked. But what I did is I went from their calendar that the school provided and under each subject wrote and plan what to do for the week. So they can go in and like just check off everything, like watch this video, do this, do this. And I put links to everything so they can easily digest it. So that was Remy's. And then here's an example of like Tuesday's not done yet, so it's not check marked. And yeah, so she can literally go in here herself and click it all, and she's in kindergarten. Makes it very easy. And then Remy is super into her specials. It's PE, music, and art. So I took some ideas from what they gave us and just put in a whole list of things to do in the direction so they're all in one place and we can just pick one each day and do it. And that is it. It's so simple, so easy, but it works with my brain. I left a link to a blank, kind of like a template, if y'all are interested, in the description below.